Welcome to Bangladesh, the vibrant heart of South Asia, where rivers flow and nature thrives. As we move north, we enter Sylhet, land of rolling hills and endless tea gardens. In the heart of Sylhet lies Habiganj, glowing green, bordered in red, a gateway to something magical, Satchori, a hidden forest where nature whispers through the trees. Its tranquil trails, golden light, and rare wildlife offer serenity and adventure alike. High above, parrots soar through the jungle canopy. In the trees, curious monkeys swing and play. And in a sunlit clearing, butterflies dance gently through the warm air. This is Satchori, untouched, alive, and waiting to be discovered.